How you doing? I just wanted to do a quick review here of the deluxe rocket stove that I got from Steel Forest Welding and Forge. My friend Mike there hooked me up. Uh, just want to say a few things about it. I've never had a rocket stove before. I've dealt with regular wood stoves and things like that, personally, for my own use. And I came across these rocket stoves on YouTube one day, and I just thought that they were kind of cool. So I started doing some research, and I wanted to get one. And I searched through YouTube and through the internet and Facebook and etc., looking for what I thought was the best one for me to buy. And based on the quality that I could see, on the videos that I watched on YouTube, and price and everything, I came across the Steel Forest Welding and Forge, and I saw this one model. I went through the video that Mike did, where he described how they started out with all his prototypes and etc. And I did a lot of research. I mean, I'm not a genius when it comes to these things, but I like to do research when I go to purchase something, especially if I'm going to spend some money on it. And this is what I came up with. I saw this one, the deluxe model. It's so I ordered it. I talked to Mike with a few emails and made the purchase. And the price for this one was very good. And for the quality that came through that I got, the price was very good, very competitive, and actually a little less expensive than most that I saw on the internet. So I ordered it, and it was seamless. The process, talking to him, making the payment. There was a number of payment options that were available, and I think I actually did PayPal with Mike. That's what I did. And he told me it would be, several weeks. This was actually a week before Christmas or so. And obviously during the holidays, things are going to be slower. But he gave me a time frame and said, I'm going to have it to you within a week after, after purchasing it. And that was it. It was about 2 weeks total. He sent me a message and said it should be here in between Saturday and Tuesday. And lo and behold, it showed up today. And this is it right here. Quality is awesome. I mean, it's solid. Everything's solid on it. It's got the nice stand on the bottom. It's got the handle on the back, which is, you can even touch the handle when the thing's fired up. And you've got your, where you put your fuel in here, your sticks, and your fire area down here. And up here, I actually put a pan on here. I put a little frying pan on here just for the heck of it, and fried up an egg relatively easy. But it's with regards to easeability of lighting it. I've never used one before. It took me a little time to get the fire going. At first, I used sticks that were a little too thick, but I actually did get them to burn. And then once it got burning, and I've got some videos that I'm going to share with Mike that he could attach to this review if he wants. But yeah, once it got going, the flames were coming up and it was burning relatively fast. I was able to control, the inflow of air with that cap there. And I would have to say, being my first purchase, I would have to say if I'm going to put this on a scale of 1 to 10, as far as a product itself, 1 to 10, I would have to say it's a 9. Easy. I mean, this thing, the way it's built, this thing will last forever. And like I said, it fired up nice. Once I figured out how to do it, it went relatively easy, and it was burning good. As far as dealing with Mike and the company, I would say it's a 10. Yeah, no problems at all, and very, very good communication. So that's it. It's an awesome product. and I'm going to get better at lighting it and burning. So that's it. So if anybody is looking, like I said, I would highly recommend this company. And that's it. Thanks.